In this video I would like to present you the Deep AERO ICO, a very interesting one if you may, and an ICO which steps ahead into the future when drones are going to be a daily business. And so Deep AERO is basically building a harmonized framework for the air traffic management and drones traffic management. So there is that. They're building an autonomous, self-governing, intelligent drone unmanned aircraft system, and they call it UAS. This is the abbreviation of unmanned aircraft system, for traffic management. The platform that will be able to ensure safe flight of manned and unmanned aircraft in the shared airspace. So imagine, guys, in the future there will be thousands, tens of thousands, millions of drones in the skies, flying all around, delivering packages for Amazon and I don't know what. And ultimately there is the need of something to manage all the traffic the drones are going to cause. So the drones are basically transforming everything from agriculture and emergency management to national security and the delivery of goods and services. Drones take on entirely new dimension as nodes in the emerging Internet of Things infrastructure. As replacements for stationary sensors, drones expand the user's ability to collect information, and society is at the very beginning of understanding how drones will factor into tomorrow's technological infrastructure and how they will push the boundaries of what is possible. So guys, this ICO, it's very much needed for the day of tomorrow. And let's take a look at the token sale. So as you can see, there is a total of 5 billion tokens. The founders will reserve for themselves 25%, that's 1.2 billion tokens. The advisors will get 10%. During the pre-sale, 10% are going to be offered. During the ICO, 50%, and the marketing is going to cost them 5%. So basically, guys, the price per token is going to be $0.05. And in the end, you get bonuses. So out of the 5 billion tokens, guys, 3 billion are going to be offered to the public through the pre-sale and the ICO, of course. ICO bench, guys, they got some really high ratings, and as you can see, they also passed a Know Your Customer verification process. Of course, this Know Your Customer is not necessarily just for customers, it's for companies as well. And the company behind Deep AERO passed the test, so they are people behind the project, not scammers or anything else. You can buy drone tokens by going on the website and sign up and so on. Make sure to check it out, and you should know that this project comes from the United Arab Emirates, UAE, very rich country with a lot of money from the oil. Anyway, if you're curious to find out more about the project, if you are interested in buying drones tokens, I'm going to leave some links in the description to guide you. So do your own research, do your own due diligence, and ultimately decide if you wish to invest or not. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care.